Liver. Name of the organ is a liver, also known as a Kalkhanda, Yakrut, Hyper, Hepatic. Introduction. Liver is the largest solid gland. Location: right hypochondrium, left hypochondrium and epigastrium. Weight: it is 1600 gram in male and 1300 gram in female. Length is 20 centimeter. Shape: wedge shape. Color: reddish brown color. External feature: contain 4 borders, 5 surfaces and 2 lobes. 5 surfaces are anterior surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface and right surface. Only inferior is well defined because it has a sharp border. Now it contains 4 borders are right border, superior border, inferior border and posterior border. Inferior border is somewhat round and laterally it separates inferior and superior by the right surfaces. Now the lobes, it contains 2 lobes, right and left lobe. Lobes divides anteriorly by the ligamentum falciform, posteriorly by the ligamentum venosum, inferiorly by the ligamentum teres. Now the right lobe is larger than the left lobe and total it is 5/6 of the liver. It forms the superior surface of the liver. In right lobe there are 2 lobes contained, which is caudate and quadrate lobe. Caudate lobe, it is a posterior superior of the right lobe of the liver and quadrate is the inferior superior of the right lobe of the liver. Now the caudate lobe right side la inferior vena cava, left ligamentum venosum and inferiorly there is a porta hepatis. Now the quadrate lobe its anterior portion contain inferior border, posteriorly porta hepatis, right it is a gallbladder and left is a ligamentum teres. Left lobe, it is total of 1/6 of the total liver, much smaller than the right lobe. Relations: two relation, which is a peritoneal and visceral. Now the peritoneal relation: most of the liver covered by the peritoneum and which is not covered by peritoneum are bare area, coronary ligament and lesser omentum. Now the visceral relation: anteriorly xiphoid process, posteriorly vertebral column, superiorly cardiac impression, inferiorly gastric impression and right diaphragm. Now the ligaments, there are 2 ligaments, true ligament and false ligament. False ligament contain ligamentum falciform, lateral triangular ligament, right triangular ligament, coronary ligament which covers coronary ligament covers inferior vena cava and bare area. Now the true ligament, these are actually the remnant of the fetal structure. It contains only 2 ligaments, which is a ligamentum teres and ligamentum venosum. Now the blood supply: liver, it supplied by hepatic artery only 20% and portal vein 80%. Now the venous drainage, which is by the hepatic vein. Nerve supply: hepatic plexus. Porta hepatis, it is a deep transverse fissure situated inferior surface of the right lobe of the liver and between the caudate and quadrate lobe below. Entry: porta hepatis actually act like a door which can give entry and exit. So the entry: portal vein, hepatic artery and hepatic nerve. Exit: right and left hepatic duct. Now the functions of the liver: it produces bile and prothrombin synthesis, excretion, protection by the conjugation and destruction, storage of the glycogen, vitamin A and vitamin D, metabolism of the fat, carbohydrates, protein. Now the clinical anatomy: cirrhosis, metastatic tumor, liver biopsy and hepatitis. Thank you.